The Department of Trade and Industry is advising traders to comply with the suggested retail price of so-called Noche Buena items. This followed reports that prices of such items have already been increased with the approach of the holiday season. This report.
Prices of some Noche Buena items are lowered while some are hiked. New Noche Buena products were also released in the market which are cheaper than popular brands. The Department of Trade and Industry released a suggested retail price for Noche Buena products. It urged the public to report those who will sell these products 20% higher than the SRP.
Ito po yung makatwiran at reasonable na presyo ng produkto. In other words, yung pinagbabawal ng batas yung profiteering, halos hindi ka na makakasuhan nun. Kapag lumampas ka sa SRP, nagbenta ka SRP, pagpapaliwanagin ka, bakit lampas? In other words, tatanungin bakit ka nagbebenta ng lampas sa reasonable price. So yung po yun, magkadikit po yung profiteering at saka yung SRP.
Electricity rate this October, however, will be increased by 10 centavos per kilowatt hour according to Meralco. The power company said that electricity rates would have decreased by 5 centavos per kilowatt hour if not for the generation charge increase brought upon by alternative use of fuel from natural gas plants in Santa Rita and San Lorenzo. The increase was also due to the lower Philippine peso exchange rate against US dollar.
There is a slight upward adjustment overall of around 10 centavos per kilowatt hour in October, and however, accounting for the rate adjustments over the past 2 months, meron pa rin tayong 48 cents na reduction. So for a typical household consuming 200 kilowatt hours, this month's adjustment is equivalent to an increase of roughly 20 to 21 pesos in the bill for October.